Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. I'm hoping you stopped by here so I could help get you out of a jam. And by jam, I mean, gosh darn, that nail polish bottle was really hard to open. Took me a lot of tries and a lot of different things to finally get it open. If you need to learn how to do that in a jiff, I'll make this video quick, and here's the answer. Right now, that's what we're talking about. So I had done all the prep work. I had given myself most of my pedicure. I'd soaked my feet in my little foot spa and used the cuticle remover and filed and shaped and smoothed and did the pumice on the bottoms, moisturizer, and I had the polish color all picked out. You would be amazed to see how many nail polish colors I have. It's embarrassing. It's sort of an addiction of mine. It's not healthy, but a lot of them I buy when they're at TJ Maxx, and they're just beautiful and they catch my eye and I have to have them. And honestly, I have so many nail polishes because it's so hard to pick a neutral color. Even one that you see on somebody else and then you buy it and it's totally wrong for your skin color, your complexion. Neutrals are hard. But this one happened to be an orangey color, a brick red orange that I wanted to wear. And I'm going to insert some pictures here, but it was really stuck. So what did I do? I ran it under some hot water, and that didn't do anything. So I soaked it in a glass of hot water, and as the water started to cool, I kept adding more hot water so that it was in there for a good 5 minutes. And that didn't loosen it up. I thought maybe I'm not getting a grip. So I saw an article that told me to wrap a rubber band around the top. And I did that, and I could grip it pretty well once it was dried off from the water, but it wasn't budging. I thought, well, maybe I need rubber bands on the bottom too, so I can grip the bottom equally and I can really get it going. I did that, nothing. I tried soaking it in nail polish remover next. I thought, oh, you know what? I'll just pour the nail polish remover back in the bottle. I wasn't going to waste a whole cup of nail polish remover and toss it. Let it sit there for about 10 minutes, took it out, rinsed it off, poured the nail polish remover back into the bottle and gave it a nice twist. Grabbed a towel, grabbed one of those open jar things. Nothing was making it budge. Took it upstairs, took out the blow dryer, held the bottle in a towel. We know that it's stuck because the nail polish got gloppy on there and then it dried and it's stuck between the plastic cap and the glass rim of the bottle, and it's locked itself into place. But we know nail polish can be melted on your fingernails from high heat. It's flammable, for heaven's sakes, right? So I aimed the blow dryer up underneath the cap on that angle while holding it in a towel. 45-50 seconds, bloop, opened it right up. That's my helpful hint for the day. Skip the nail polish remover, all the hot water. I mean, you could try the hot water first, but if the hot water doesn't work, go straight for the blow dryer. It loosened it up immediately. I made sure that I cleaned off the lip of the bottle. I took a cotton pad with some nail polish remover and cleaned up actually inside the handle the best I could, and definitely did a great job along the screw on top area of the bottle so that it wouldn't happen again. It was ready to go, and I'd show you my feet, but you're on a tripod and they're all the way down there. But they turned out great in just the color I wanted. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. I tried to make it quick and get to the blow dryer part quickly so you could go polish your nails. Hit that ring bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I would look forward to seeing you again. I appreciate you being here today. Thank you for that. And until the next time, have a good one.